Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Appreciate all you guys returning, all the friends and family, in-laws and outlaws, miscreants and masters of the craft. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for tuning in. Today's a special day, and let me get you turned around at the bench, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Hang on just a sec. Yeah, we're back at the bench. As you can tell, I got a couple of things going on today. The rat rod's one. It's a short little update, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about this right here, my channel. Let me show you a few things. First of all, let's go over here to YouTube Studio. Let that pull up. Let's go to Channel Analytics. Let that pull up. Then we run over here. See where it says Live Count? Let me go to there. I'll show you something. Look at that mess. That's crazy. 520 subscribers. You guys are freaking amazing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. From the bottom of my heart. It's just amazing. When I checked this 2 days ago, it was like 470, and then last night it was right at 510, and today, like, I don't know, it was 517, and just a few minutes ago I turned this on and it was up to 520. You guys are tripping me out. This is crazy. So yeah, let me get you back on the tripod, get you still so you're not getting dizzy. Give me just a second. You guys are awesome. Appreciate you. Yeah, 520 subscribers as of today. Today is Monday morning. Awesome. Can't thank you enough. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm doing a giveaway. Yay. So yeah, guys, if you want to be a part of this, so in this video right here, comment down in the below that say, hey, I'm in it to win it. I want that thing, Shaggy. So yeah, just tell me at the bottom. And this is what I'm going to give away to you guys. The 72 Chevy wrap truck. I know this was pretty popular a couple years ago, or last year, or beginning of this year, or last year, but yeah, this is what I'm doing for the giveaway. If any of you guys haven't had this truck, some of you guys have this truck, but you know what? Not only can you build the ramp truck, and you get all these crazy little tools here. You know what? Let me turn the camera around and we can look at it together. Hold up. See these fellas on the wall? They're part of this. So yeah, they have helped me get to where I'm going. So appreciate it. But yeah, awesome, awesome, awesome. But yeah, this here is the 72 ramp truck. It's the Racer's Wedge pickup. And it's got the 1972 issue, backed by demand. It's 2-in-1 stock or car hauler. Got an expanded decal sheet, vintage style packaging. As you can tell, it's not open. Still got the wrapper on it. And you get all these tools too. It's just a cool kit. I've seen several guys build this. Several guys in our club has built this. You can get just a regular bed on it if you want it. I think that's in the kit too. So yeah, you got the chrome engine hopped up components, wild custom grill, you got side mirrors, authentic interior, you got the engine, you got the decal sheet, and here's what all the components have in it. And it's 148 parts in this kit. So yeah, if you guys want it, let me know on the bottom of the comments. Say, hey, I'm in it to win it. Let me have it, Shaggy. So yeah, thanks you guys for getting me to where I'm at. Hang on, let me get this down a little bit. You guys can see and this is updating in real time. Let's see here. It says updating live over here. Let me hit the refresh button, see if it's gotten any more since we've been talking. Nope, not anymore since we've been talking. But anyhow, thanks guys for tuning in and coming back to the channel. I can't thank you enough. You guys are absolutely amazing. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video. Give me a comment. Let me know that you want this kit. If you don't want this kit, let me know you don't want this kit. But hey, appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. And another thing, let me tell you, This is only going to be for the 48 states. I don't have enough. I'm not rich, so it's only going to be for the continuous 48 states in the U.S. Sorry about you guys overseas. I love you guys too. Seamus, I can't remember everybody on the top of my head. There's several guys. There's a fellow up in Canada. I can't remember your name either, so sorry. Jamie G, right? That guy right there. Jamie G up there in Canada. This fella. He's a subscriber. And Seamus over in, I forget where he's at, but yeah. Awesome. Several guys from Canada and a few guys from overseas. Sorry about it, but I just can't ship out to you guys. I can't afford all that postage. But anyhow, but yeah, if you guys want it, let me know. And it's for the 48 states. And next Tuesday morning, I will reveal the winner. And I'm going to do a random drawing. So I'm probably going to do the drawing Monday night. That way I can post it Tuesday morning, and you guys will see who got the truck. And like I said, I can't thank you guys enough from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate it. You guys stick with me, and we'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate it.